Rajen Jani tutorial. Start. Discuss the influence of social media.
Social media is a double-edged sword. One side sharpens connectivity and the other cuts deep into our time and attention. It is incredible how platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn help people share ideas, find opportunities, and stay informed. However, they also create a pressure cooker of comparison, making it easy to feel inadequate when scrolling through highlight reels. Fake news spreads like wildfire, and sometimes it is hard to separate fact from fiction. Still, social media has sparked movements, raised awareness, and given voices to those who might not have been heard otherwise. It has revolutionized marketing, turning everyday users into influencers. The challenge is knowing when to step away. It is easy to fall down the rabbit hole of endless scrolling. Personally, I try to strike a balance, using it as a tool rather than letting it dictate my day. After all, life happens beyond the screen.
Rajen Jani tutorial. End.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial. Rajen Jani. Text. Microsoft Copilot. Images. Copilot Image Creator. Audio. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of Speech. Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python Code. Google Gemini AI. Video Editor. Kdenlive.